turn right here. When you open it up, it sounds insane. It sounds like the gates of hell open or just sucking souls into it. It's just, and I'm like, wow, like this is insane. Reminds me of all like the old 450 dirt bikes and whatnot. Uh-oh, what is this? What is this? Oh! Getting crazy already. It looked like a metal shelf that came in like a office complex or something. All right, we need to take in 1 mile left onto 88 west toward DeKalb. So this is the first highway trip with your 690. Woo! Well, we got 13 miles to figure it out. Oh, here we go. Should I be like the Harley guys that are like, I was getting the camera down low so I could get some good shots of you, and I'm like, how do I do this? Jesus Christ, he needs some safety gear. I just looked over and I'm like looking at this kid with earrings that he stole from his mom and then sunglasses, and I'm like, bro, what are you doing? You need a fucking helmet. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we're getting into downtown. We're gonna stick to the left because there's the fork here. They got like a live band and everything. Pay attention! Oh, look at that, a Bronco Raptor. Shit. Those things are sweet. Wait a minute. Hold on. Do you want to ride one of the most fun roads in the world? Oh my God, holy shit, this just hit me. All right, you gotta follow me. Oh my God, how did I not think of this shit? Sorry, it just fucking hit me. I'm low on gas. If I run out of gas, I'm sorry. So we're gonna go left here. Oh yeah, dude, I totally fucking forgot. All right. I used to know this so well. We used to race cars on this. Yeah. Up over the hill, right, and on it, yeah. Oh my God, I totally forgot, dude. Oh, this is so good. Oh yeah. All right, so this is going to be a very hard left. turkeys. Oh my God, there's a baby wild turkeys. What? Oh, there was a deer. I think they're trying to tow it. Yeah, these are hard though. Damn, that's a big house. Alright, so the gas station is just right down there. But you got a lot of dogs. They got everything you need. So I must have had either more. You know what? I don't know how much fucking gas goes in this thing. Don't judge me. Oh, I am so bugged out right now. So many bugs. Here, let's do this. Yeah. Almost 7 years.
Many hours later.
Alright. Leaving Lake Geneva. It is late. Coming back next weekend? Alright. Alright, whose light is better? Whose light is better? I don't know. Hold on. Why are you flashing shit? Oh yeah, this is gonna be fucking freezing, mate. It's getting colder! Oh! Oh dude, I'm gonna take the hottest shower when I get home. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I forgot how much fun this road is. Oh, this car wasn't here, by the way. Woo! Woo! What are you? What are you, sir? What is that? I know, he's out of here. Yeah, where's this dude going? My God. He's like, yeah, I quit. I'm done.